been sitting here thinking about how I'm gonna run my brake line, and I end up drilling a hole here and running the brake line inside, and then I use one of old radiator hose and just stuffed it in there so that way the brake line doesn't rub. Same thing on this side. So originally I was gonna go with a 10-inch fan, but I couldn't fit two of them side by side. I wouldn't have enough room for them, so I ended up ordering some. I think these are 8-inch, two 8-inch. Then I got my coolant reservoir, which is cheap Amazon. I think the whole thing is like billet aluminum, which is pretty cool. Getting there. Yeah, so originally I was gonna run a top mount manifold. This is like one of them 1320 top mount. I had a buddy that has one that I test fitted, and the turbo compressor housing sits way too far this way, and then I would have to notch all that out in order for it to fit. But I didn't want to cut into that, so I ended up finding this manifold on eBay for like, I think it was like 90 bucks. And I'm running a 70 mil turbo. I had to cut the block, well, notch the block just a little bit. Probably don't have to notch it that far, but just to clear the turbo a little bit. And with the wastegate, well, and another thing with the wastegate for the other manifold, it sat here and then wouldn't give me any clearance for the radiator. So I ran this manifold with this radiator off of a Volkswagen Rabbit, and I still got plenty of room. So don't look too bad. I like it. cluster. I like that one better because the red, I think the Civic one, the only one I can find. It's all busted up at the junkyard. So, not lucky with this one. My brother had it sitting in his basement. Got the front end back on. Had to extend the wires for the headlight.